ABC 36 Storm Team Forecast.
Well, welcome back. Meteorologist Jordan Smith here once again on this Sunday evening. Now, while we are seeing mainly calm conditions out there, it's what I'm tracking in the days ahead that we are needing to be weather aware because we have several rounds of strong and severe thunderstorms on the way. That's also going to lead to an elevated flash flood threat because of these repeat rounds of thunderstorms. Now, we're going to stay warm and muggy as well until the end of the week, and then cooler temperatures arrive. How about highs into the 60s? Again, all that's coming over the next few minutes. Right here is the live look over downtown Lexington, thanks to our Hicks and Funson cam, showing a mix of sun and clouds out there. We're at 79 degrees, but again, dew points into the low 60s, so we can add a couple of degrees on, and that's what it feels like. Feels like 81. But let's take a trip down to southeast Kentucky. Here is Knott County near Hindman. You can see we're dealing with mostly cloudy skies because some showers just moved through this area. And it's about a 12-degree temperature difference. It's only 69 down there. That is the power of some rain-cooled air. Now, as we continue to track out temperatures now, as you can see, they are into the upper 70s to low 80s across most of the region. But we are having to pull out our muggy meter once again. Dew point 60 to 65, putting us in that humid category. We're going to stay that way into the week ahead as well. Now, this stationary front that you see draped across portions of the Ohio Valley up through the Great Lakes, that is the culprit of our showers and thunderstorms that are going to be coming over the next several days. Now, here locally, we are dealing with still some mainly cloudy conditions. Few thunderstorms there across portions of Tennessee and the Virginias. We were watching some scattered thunderstorms into southeast Kentucky earlier. Again, I showed you that Knott County cam with the cloud coverage, but those have since weakened and moved into Virginia. Now, Futurecast shows out the door tomorrow morning. Thunderstorms already going to be developing across the region. Those become more widespread into the afternoon and evening. Now, tomorrow's not a washout by any means, but we are going to have to be dealing with rounds of showers and thunderstorms right on through tomorrow night. Good news is that we're not dealing with a severe weather threat tomorrow. Bad news, well, that really increases into Tuesday and Wednesday. But still, some flash flooding issues is possible on Monday. Here's that severe weather outlook for Tuesday. The entire state of Kentucky already under that level 2 out of 5 slight risk. Don't be surprised if we don't see portions of the Commonwealth upgraded the closer we get. Now, into Wednesday, the entire state is already under a day 4 outlook. Normally, the Storm Prediction Center issues their severe outlooks up to 3 days in advance. This is level 4, so we're pretty confident of severe weather on Wednesday. So let's track out some of those severe storms on Tuesday. As of right now, timing looks to be late morning into early afternoon. Look at that squall line of severe thunderstorms likely racing across central and eastern Kentucky. That'll continue across the east. And then we're left with some scattered showers and thunderstorms Tuesday afternoon, and it's muggy low 80s. Now, let's focus on Wednesday. Yes, we have the threat for severe thunderstorms on Tuesday. I think Wednesday brings the best chance. Now, some of the latest data tries to keep us dry the majority of the daylight on Wednesday, and temperatures into the low to mid 80s. If that's the case, that is going to help fuel thunderstorms into the evening. Notice how this is trying to provide us with some thunderstorms out on their own Wednesday evening. That would up the potential of a few tornadoes, but then before a squall line drops in here from north to south into late Wednesday night. So 3 things you need to know. Again, multiple rounds of severe weather this week. All modes of severe weather are possible. We'll have to fine tune those exact details. Just make sure you have multiple ways to receive watches and warnings as we get closer. Another element of this is the heavy rain. You can see additional 2 to 4 inches is possible over the next 4 to 5 days. 7-day forecast, again, weather aware Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then as we start to weaken those thunderstorms and rain chances a little bit into the end of the week, we drop from the upper 70s Thursday to the upper 60s on Friday, and then we stay there into the upcoming weekend with still some scattered showers across the area. Stay with us though. More ABC 36 at 6:30 after the